Guys, sa wakas natapos ko na rin yung wardrobe cabinet ko guys. Ito yung pinakakabalahan ko guys. Tingnan yung sa loob guys. May dalawang drawer ito guys. Ayan. Yan isa. Thank you for watching guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.